Most mornings, I just want to look like myself. No full glam or full coverage, but not too bare either. Just a really healthy, flushed version of me. So, I always start strong with a non-negotiable like a gentle cleanser. Something that will wake me up and wash off yesterday's remains without drying out my skin. I typically go for cleansers that feel like a good morning. And then I go in with a lightweight, quick absorb moisturizer, nothing too oily or creamy, especially if it's humid. The point is to hydrate without clogging your pores. And now we dive into the makeup. I've been loving Lakme's 9 to 5 Higher Matte Foundation. It gives a soft matte finish without drying out the skin, but still keeps my skin feeling plump and hydrated thanks to the 5% hyaluronic acid. Plus, it's got SPF 40, which means I have double layer of sun protection. A quiet hack for real. When I need some extra coverage, I go in with my Lakme Higher Matte Concealer. It's perfect for that under eye coverage and great for around the mouth because it doesn't crease nor does it feel too heavy. This product literally does it all. She conceals, highlights and even contours. It's an easy breezy miracle worker. And of course, to lock it all in, I use my Higher Matte Compact. And this is infused with hyaluronic acid, so it keeps my skin super hydrated while controlling excess oil production. No cakey makeup, no random midday sheen. Just fresh, dewy skin for hours. Next, I go in with my blush, obviously. And I've been loving Lakme's Showstopper blush. It's a powder blush, but it blends like a dream and gives the softest flush of color. I'm going ahead for a minimalist look and skipping the kajal and liner and going ahead with just mascara. To go for that wide-eyed clean look, I curl my lashes and use one coat of L18's Eye Drama Mascara. It opens up my eyes instantly and doesn't clump on my lashes, which is a big one for me. And whatever little product is remaining on the mascara wand, I just use it to brush out my brows. Don't judge me. To finish off the look, I go ahead with my go-to lip combo. First I line my lips and then I go ahead with the Higher Matte lip color. This one's got cocoa butter, hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, so it keeps my lips super hydrated and smooth. And that's it. No contour, no 10 brushes and no extensive routines. Just skin that feels like mine, except it's hydrated, fresh and flushed, ready for whatever the day brings on.